So the under-12 girls medley event, we have Whittlesea City in lane 1, Mentone lane 2, Leongatha lane 3, Knox lane 4, Albury lane 5, Geelong lane 6, Maryborough lane 7, and Sandringham rounding out the field, lane 8.
This is the unofficial rules 800 street medley. In the bronze medal took a time of 154.8 Freedom. The silver medal took a time of 954.69.12 Nairobi. And the gold medal took a time 153.57. Congratulations, Kira. The great girls, well done.
So the first two legs are done in this under-12 girls medley event. 100 plus 100. Now we move into the 200 metre leg with, it looks like Knox charging to the lead at that break line area, the part where they can merge into their own lanes. So we have Knox, or it could even be Mentone nudging in front of Knox there, and Geelong, the usual suspects in the medals at our state relay championships. Closely followed by, surprise, surprise, Sandringham. Okay, so Mentone, followed by Knox, Geelong and Sandringham are our first four to enter the 400 metre leg. And 300 metres to go in the race. We have Mentone with a slim lead over Knox to a little bit more in a battle for what seems like bronze, but who knows what can happen between Geelong and Sandringham, as they have about 200 metres to go in this medley event. So Mentone holding a solid lead by a few metres, but Knox not giving up yet. Sandringham following not too far behind, and Geelong not giving up for a medal yet. 400, such a tough leg in the medley. These are stellar athletes giving it all they can, when we have Mentone increasing their lead slightly, charging towards the finish line, and they will take home the gold medal in this event. Followed by Knox, a hard-fought effort by Sandringham in the green socks, and just outside the medals, the team from Geelong. We also have, to round out the field, Whittlesea City, Leongatha, Albury and Maryborough. Once again, these medley events, great to see all these country athletes getting a chance and coming down to Melbourne for such a great event.